What is going on, you guys? Today we have some good ass news. Today we're gonna be unboxing this GoPro 11 Black. Stay tuned, man. It's gonna be some great content now, guys. So stay tuned. You guys can see this is the case that they bring it in. Looking nice, looking nice. Let's get it open now. Beautiful case. Ooh. Here we have a few papers to go to the experience. Here we have how to do everything. Nice. We got our charging cable right here. We got another mount right there. Obviously the screw. We got the new end battery, Endura battery, the white one. And we have this to put the GoPro on. And there we have it, you guys. The brand new GoPro 11 Black. I know it's been out for a long time already, but let's put this battery in and let's turn it on, and I'm gonna go for a ride to see how you guys can hear me and how you guys can see everything. Stay tuned. Woo! Let's get it, baby! New GoPro, baby, let's go! I had to get a new GoPro, you guys, because I was previously recording with the Hero11 Silver, and I bought the mic adapter, and I also bought like 2 mics, Purple Panda one, and then the one I'm using, which I don't know which one it is. And shit, it was not working out, so I even returned the mic adapter to see if it was a mic adapter or the mics. So I got the new mic adapter yesterday, and I put it on and still was not working. So I was like, shit, I'm gonna have to go get a new GoPro, man. And I ordered this GoPro like 2 days ago, and it just came out today. It just got delivered today. I'm sorry. And man, I tested the mic at the house and it was working fine. So I hope you guys can hear me right, because now we're gonna be putting way more content, man, way more content than I used to, and it's gonna be better because you guys are gonna be able to hear me while I ride. So yeah, you guys, tomorrow on Sunday they invited me to go to a little ride with me and the guy I met on Facebook group chat, man. If you guys are new to biking and you guys need to make friends, go to Facebook group chat around your city, man. You look at how many bikes, man. Yes sir, they're Harley brothers. Like I was saying, you guys, they invited me to a ride on Sunday, so I'm gonna see if I could go. That ride is probably gonna be like an hour and a half ride over there. We're gonna go to a 420 cafe up in Sarasota, and we're gonna see what's up, man. Hopefully the ride goes out smoothly. It's on Sunday. I can bring you way more videos, man. I can't wait to bring you guys more videos, man. You guys can see over here, it's one side black and one side gold, but I am going to order some fairings, and I'm gonna keep one side black, and then I'm gonna wrap the other side gold. Those are my plans for the future. Let's see if it can happen. But all right, you guys, see you guys at home, man. All right, you guys, we made it home. As you guys can see, one side of the bike is black, and then the other side of the bike is new. Oh my god, man! I said new because I saw this thing right here that I just put new like 2 days ago. That's why I said it. But as you guys can see, one side is black, one side is white. I am going to do a video on that probably now. So see you next time, guys.